Hi friends, welcome to my channel Make Guru. Subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Today's our topic is on VAT governor. So this is the diagram for VAT governor. This is the construction of the VAT governor. Now Fc is the centrifugal force acting on the ball. So see, this is the fly ball and Fc is the centrifugal force acting on the ball. It is denoted by mr omega square. Now W is the weight of the ball. If you are talking about this fly ball, W is a weight. W is a weight acting at the center of the ball and it is always in downward direction. Weight हमेशा downward direction में होता है. क्यों होता है? Because of gravitational force. Weight is always acting in downward direction. So W is the weight of the ball and it is in Newton. Okay. T is the tension in the arm. So because of centrifugal force, there will be tension created in these arms and also in legs. So T is the tension in the arms. Sleeve, this is the sleeve. And in case of VAT governor केस में हम हमेशा स्लीव का जो मास होता है वो कंसिडर नहीं करते हैं. मीन्स स्लीव हैविंग द निग्लिजिबल मास. ओनली वी आर कंसिडरिंग द मास ऑफ फ्लाई बॉल ओनली and the forces acting on the fly ball only. Mass of arm and mass of links is also considered as negligible and mass of sleeve also considered as negligible. Okay. Now if you are taken the moment, now if we have taken a moment about point O. So see, this is the point O. We are taking the moment about point O. So what will be? So summation of moment at point O will be considered as 0. So now we are taking the moment about point O. So what will be? See, first of all we are taking the horizontal forces. जो फ्लाई बॉल पे हॉरिजॉन्टल फोर्सेस एक्ट हो गए, पहले हम उनका मोमेंट लेंगे. सो फ्लाई बॉल पे कौन सा फोर्स हॉरिजॉन्टल फोर्स एक्ट हो रहा है? सो दैट विल बी Fc. दिस इज द हॉरिजॉन्टल फोर्स Fc. सी, सो Fc इंटू force into perpendicular distance. See, we are taking the moment about point O. So the force into this perpendicular distance. So the perpendicular distance will be that is h. Okay. Now this Fc into O, it is creating a clockwise moment. Fc, we are holding the point O and this force is creating a clockwise moment. That's why it is considered as positive. Okay. Fc into h. अभी एक ही यहाँ पे हॉरिजॉन्टल फोर्स, दूसरा कोई हॉरिजॉन्टल फोर्स नहीं, इसलिए हम अभी डाउनवर्ड फोर्सेस लेंगे. सो डाउनवर्ड फोर्स कौन सा है? W. नाउ सी, तो हम मोमेंट लेते समय क्या करते हैं? फोर्स इंटू परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस. सो W इज द फोर्स इंटू परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस इज दिस, मीन्स R. This we are taking moment about point O. So W force into perpendicular, it is rotating anti-clockwise direction. See, downward direction में जा रहा है तो ऐसे रोटेट होगा, ऐसे anti-clockwise direction. So that's why minus anti-clockwise direction according to the sign conventions. Force, that is W, into perpendicular, that is R, is equal to 0. Therefore Fc into h is equal to W into R. ये टर्म को सिंपली हम इधर लेके गए. नाउ वी हैव पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ Fc. What is the value of Fc? That is mr omega square into h. W की वैल्यू क्या होती है? mg. it is the weight of fly ball into R. So therefore in terms of H it will be m dot g into R upon this term will go downward direction H, mr omega square. So m get cancelled, rr get cancelled, so simply H will be g upon omega square. So the height of governor will be H is equal to g upon omega square. Now g is expressed in meter per second square, omega is in radian per second, omega is given by omega is equal to 2 pi n by 60, and n is the speed which is in rpm. So by putting the values in this equation, so h is equal to g. अभी g की वैल्यू क्या होती है? इट इज द यूनिवर्सल वैल्यू, दैट इज 9.81 अपॉन ओमेगा. ओमेगा इज 2 pi n by 60 bracket square. So after the solving 9.81, after solving this equation, the final answer will be 895 upon n square. And h की वैल्यू किस में होती है? It is in meters. So the final value of h will be 895 upon n square. So this formula से हम h की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. ये जो फॉर्मूलेशन है हम जब न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करेंगे तभी हमें यूज में आएंगे. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. यदि आपको मेरा ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो मेरे इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें, मेरे चैनल मेक करी को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस दी बेल आइकॉन. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. अगले वीडियो में हम रिमेनिंग टाइप्स ऑफ गवर्नर देखेंगे. थैंक यू. जय हिंद.